Hello, I'm sure you're in the mood to prepare something delicious. Sometimes you have guests who show up almost by surprise, but you still want to leave them amazed, right?
Take a small can of tuna or bonito and open it right away. The liquid can be either oil or natural, that's up to you, but always make sure to drain the liquid. Once you have it, transfer it to a bowl or a slightly larger container, just like that, using a fork so it gets shredded. Add a couple of tablespoons of cream cheese or spreadable cheese. We're using classic Philadelphia cheese, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. If you have it in a packet, just use a typical packet, that's fine. Mix it very well until you get a smooth texture. On the other hand, let's add some flavor. How? Well, with a bit of freshly ground black pepper. Mix again so it spreads evenly, and the filling is ready. Easy and straightforward. Now we take roasted peppers. Here we use piquillo peppers. Open a can and take out 6 of them, drain them a little, and with freshly washed hands, open them down the middle without splitting them. Like this, using the back of a fork or spoon makes it very easy. And with a small spoon, like a coffee spoon, just fill them. That's all there is to it. This is so easy, even kids can do it. We're going to keep filling them until they're almost full. Don't overdo it. Don't put in too much filling so it spills over the edge, because then it's going to overflow too much. That is, we add several teaspoons, and when we see that it's almost full, we stop. And yes, we're going to go to the microwave and give it a go for 2 or 3 minutes. I'll leave it up to you, depending on whether you want it more or less dry. But in 2 or 3 minutes at maximum power, you'll have this amazing dish ready to decorate. A little bit of parsley and a bit of olive oil, the juice that comes from the jar of peppers, and that's it.
And how nice it is to serve something tasty, healthy, easy to make, and that makes everyone open their eyes. Eye-catching and delicious. You're amazing. And since we're here with these dishes that stand out, I want to learn with you. When you have unexpected guests, how do you surprise them? Tell me down below in the comments so we can all get some ideas. And also tell me where you're watching the video from so we can travel the whole world together with delicious things.